In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer voice recordings to the SD card on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first, open the My Files app on your device and then select Internal Storage. From here, look for the folder labeled Recordings, tap on it, and then select Voice Recorder. Here, you should see all the recordings that you have on your device. To transfer them to your SD card, just select one or multiple, then choose a transfer method. You have the option to move or to copy, and it's up to you to make your choice. And once you've selected a method, go back to the main files page, and then underneath storage, select SD card, and then you can transfer it here. You also have the option of creating a folder, so tap on these three dots, then select create folder, or you can use a pre-made folder that you already have, and then just tap on the transfer method. So if you chose move, select move here. If you chose copy, tap on copy here. And then once they've been transferred, you should see them listed in that specific destination. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.